So in the marketing module, first we will start creating a campaign. What is a campaign? Campaign is an advertisement or a marketing promo. Campaign is an advertisement or a marketing promo. So I'm going to create a campaign here, that is Samsung S6 launch -S6 S6-001. And if you notice here, at the time of creating an organization, we have an option here to select the default currency. So I'm going to set the default currency here, save it. Next step is to create a marketing list. So campaign is an advertisement or a marketing promo. Next, I'm going to create a campaign activity. Marketing list. Marketing list is to group the accounts, contacts, and leads. Now take a real-time scenario when Samsung is promoting this advertisement. They want to target their existing customers. Who are the existing customers? Who already purchased the S5 or S3, and lost customers. Lost customers are like who inquired about the Samsung product and now they are not interested. So those are called the lost customers. Next up, they also want to target the new inquiries. So customers who are inquiring about other Samsung products like home appliances or other electronic products of Samsung. So we want to target those customers also. Now, so we are going to target an existing customers, new customers, and lost customers. So all together, we might have some 5,000 customers or more than 5,000 customers. Now, to group them all 5,000 customers, we use marketing list in Dynamics CRM. Marketing list is to group the accounts, contacts, and leads. Marketing list is to group the accounts, contacts, and leads. So here I'm going to create a marketing list.
One moment. I have a doubt because we have not even gone to the contact account or anything like that.
Right.
I think marketing list is a dump of basically names and few names. I don't still understand what is the difference between. There should be a difference between marketing list and the accounts, contacts, and whatever you're talking about.
Yes. So our assumption is that we already have the accounts and contacts, so we are grouping them to create a campaign.
Let's say we don't have contacts and accounts, then what?
Then we will not create a campaign.
Okay, got it. Yeah, got it.
Yes, to whom we will send it? So if we don't have any customers, to whom we are going to send an advertisement?
What happens is generally you get a list out from third-party companies. You get the basic huge Excel list where you just get the X and you get only three details.
That is second example I'll give you. Yeah, this is just a flow. So I'm just showing you the complete functionality. So with the flow advertisement, how do you do an advertisement? And through an advertisement, you get an inquiry.
Okay, got it.
Through an advertisement, you get an inquiry. So marketing list is to group the accounts, contacts, and leads. So that is why I'm saying, like, see, we may the existing customers means there are some customers in the system. New inquiries are nothing but new leads are there in the system. So we are promoting this as an advertisement to customers. So assuming that we already have the customers. So to create a marketing list, we go to marketing and then go to marketing list. So here I'm going to create a new marketing list. So there are two types of marketing list which we can create in Dynamics CRM, a static and dynamic. So what is the difference between the static and dynamic is like, in static, you're going to add the members manually. In static, you're going to add the members manually. And for dynamic, we're going to define the filter criteria. Based on the filter criteria, the members will get added automatically. Example, for static, we selected the members manually. And for dynamic, we are going to apply a filter criteria saying that this advertisement promo is only for the Europe customer. This advertisement is only for the customers who purchase S5, not for all customers. Or take an example of ads education. They have come up with an advertisement of Dynamics 365 training. Now they are going to promote this advertisement to an existing customers. So to an existing customers, they are going to apply a filter saying that the customers who attended only 2016 training, they are going to promote this as an advertisement. So then we use dynamic and we apply a filter. And we use dynamic and apply a filter. So there are two types of marketing list which we can use, static and dynamic. So I selected the static here, Samsung lead static list. Okay, target type, I'm going to select lead, save it. Then add the members here. So I just added some 5 members here. Next, I'm going to create another list here, that is account dynamic list. I selected the dynamic here, target type, I'm going to select account, save it. And here we're going to define a filter criteria. Based on that filter criteria, the members will get added automatically.
That means, let's say there are new accounts added, then automatically these will be added.
Yes, this whatever the filter criteria you provided, right? Whatever
Okay.
the filter criteria you provided, that based on that the members will get added automatically.
No, even after creating this.
Yes, even after creating this, that is the
Okay.
that is the usage of the filters, right? So till the time of execution, how many members are there that will get added automatically.
Now I understand. Today you create this filter. Tomorrow, okay, you are a customer, your new account will come in that particular
Yeah,
filter
that will
criteria.
get added automatically. That will get added automatically if the filter is
Okay.
available.
Okay.
That is the use of dynamic, right? Then what
I
is the purpose of
understand, but
the
I
filter?
wanted to make sure whether is it only at the time of adding or
No,
also,
till the
later
time of
stage.
yeah, till the time of execution. Uh, so
The time
here,
of execution, again, I'm confused. Till the time of execution or till, any time.
which one? Anytime. So based on the filters, the members will get added automatically.
Yeah, automatically. So it's not the till the time of execution. Till the CRM
So
exists, it's on adding.
yes,
Okay, thank you.
execution word is like till the till the time we close this campaign, how many members are there that will get added automatically.
Yeah, yeah, that is a better sentence. I thought, till the time of execution, and I thought only when you execute this, then at the time you will. Okay, I'm clarified with
So here I apply a filter criteria saying that account number contains data. So in real time, we may apply a filter saying that this advertisement promo should only be used for a Europe customer or Asia specific customers or the customers who purchase S5 products. So those type of filters you can apply here. So I just applied a filter here. So based on the filters, the members will get added automatically. Okay, now we'll go back to the marketing and then go to the campaigns here. Now let me go back to the campaign here, Samsung S6 launch. So here I'm going to add the marketing list. So I added the marketing list, that is lead and the account list. Okay, now if you notice the member count for static, it will show the members, and for dynamic, it is not going to show any members. For dynamic, it is not going to show any members. So based on the filter criteria, the members will get added automatically. Based on the filter criteria, the members will get added automatically.
But how would I know what is the existing member count?
Which
If
one?
I have to, if I have to see it, saying that if I have to see what is the total number of, dynamic list and static list, how would I know? Otherwise, I don't know. I'm doing the marketing in blind.
Right. So you write a code and get the count.
Oh, is it?
Of,
Okay, okay. Okay. So we can
yeah,
customize this marketing list
yeah,
thing.
yeah, the customization option is there. Customization
Oh,
option.
okay. We will see that, right, in the future?
Yeah, we'll see in future how to write the code and then how do we customize. So see, first three, four sessions will just be functionality. We will not write any customization. We'll
Right.
understand how an example like so how do we do sale, how do we do marketing, and how do we provide service to that customer.
Okay, okay, got it. Thank you.
So in first sessions, initial sessions, right, we'll just understand the functionality. Then we will come with the development part. So how are we going to customize this as per the requirements from the customer?
Okay, super. Thank you.
Okay, so now let me go back to the. So we here we added a marketing list, right? Next, we'll create a campaign activity. We'll create a campaign activity. Campaign activity is a mode of communication to the customer. Campaign activity is a mode of communication to the customer. It can be a phone call, it can be a letter, or it can be a fax, or any other mode of communication to the customer, or any other mode of communication to the customer. So here I'm going to create a campaign activity. Samsung email activity, and then channel type I'm going to select email, save it. Next step is distribute the campaign activity. Distribute the campaign activities like sending out an email to all 5,000 customers at one shot. Sending out an email to 5,000 customers at one shot. Now, when we are distributing the campaign activity, we have an option here to select the email template, or you can just send the email from here, create an email activity from here, CRM admin. Okay, I'll just update this one with CRM admin. Okay, so we updated the CRM admin, Samsung campaign email activity. Distribute it. Okay, so the moment you click on distribute, an email will be sent to all 5,000 customers or all the members under that list. An email will be sent to all the members under that list. Now let me go here, see the activities.
For
Yes, sir.
say suppose if I just want to send the email to only the dynamic list. Can I do that one?
You can do that one. No, you can from that campaign. What you can do is you can remove that this one. When you create a campaign activity, right? Campaign activity. In the campaign activity, remove the list. So you have
Okay.
multiple lists. So you can just remove that list.
Okay. Thank you.
So now let me refresh here. So you notice here. So an email has been sent to all the members here. Now email router is not configured. That is why the status is showing as pending sent. Email router is not configured in the system. That is why the status is showing pending sent. Now here we have two probabilities. One is that customer replies to this email. One is that if customer replies to this email, that will be captured as a campaign response. If customer replies to this email, that will be captured as a campaign response. In another scenario, so in other scenario, if the outbound marketing team will call to the customer, the outbound marketing team will call to the customer and notify them, we have sent out an email. If customer says that I'm interested, if customer says that I'm interested, then that will be captured as a campaign response. So we have two options here. One is automated. In automated, what happens is like if customer replies to this email, if customer replies to this email, that will be captured as a campaign response. That will be captured as a campaign response. In another scenario, the marketing team will call to the customer. The marketing team will call to the customer and notify them that sir, we have sent out an email. Are you interested? We have sent out an email. Are you interested? If customer says that they're interested, they will capture that as a response. The marketing team will capture that as a response. So we have two probabilities here. So in this example, as the email router is not configured, as the email router is not configured, what we will do is like we will create the response manually, assuming that the marketing team has called. So we'll just open the email activity here, and then assuming that the marketing team has called to the customer, marketing team has called to the customer, and if customer showed an interest, if customer showed an interest, that will be captured as a response. So we're going to promote this to a response that customer is interested. So this process we are doing manual. This process we are doing manual. Same thing can be done automated if customer replies to this email. If customer replies to this email, automatically system creates a response. If customer replies to this email, automatically system creates a response. So here we are going to promote this to response. So I am going to promote this to a response that customer is interested in our product. Customer is interested in our product, and that response will be converted. That response will be converted to a lead. Lead is nothing but it's an inquiry. Lead is nothing but it is an inquiry. So that response will get converted to a lead, or it can be converted to an existing lead. Existing lead is like one customer purchasing multiple products. Then what we'll do, we'll convert to an existing lead and then create quotes, orders, and invoices. Customer is not interested in our demo. Customer directly wants to purchase the product. Then what we'll do, we'll create directly an opportunity. If customer is not interested, if customer is not interested, then we will close this as a response. If customer is not interested, we will close this as a response. So in this example, what we will do, we'll create a lead. Now, if you just go back to the flow here, just go back to the flow here. So this is what we did now. what we did, we created a campaign. After creating a campaign, the next step is that we created the marketing list. Marketing list is to group the accounts, contacts, and leads. Then after creating a marketing list, we created a campaign activity. We created a campaign activity. For that campaign activity, we distributed the campaign activity. After distributing the campaign activity, we got a response, and that response is converted to a lead. That response is converted to a lead. So this is what we did right now. We got an inquiry through an advertisement. We got an inquiry through an advertisement. Clear? Any questions? Clear, guys? Any questions? Hello.
None.
Okay, now once we have a lead, right? So in complete CRM industry, the term lead is an inquiry or an entry point to the system. The term lead is an inquiry or the entry point to the CRM system. So
Let's
here
say
we got this. Yes,
for the lead, let's say I want to add some products. Say that this particular lead wants these products.
yes, you can add it. So out of box, a lead entity does not have this one product associated, but if in your case, if your requirement is that, then you can customize and add the product. Out of box product is associated at the opportunity level.
Okay, okay, got it. Yeah, got it.
So, but you can customize it. There is no restriction. But in
Mhm.
your business, if your requirement is that, yes, you have the full flexibility to customize it.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so now here, so we created a lead, and then once the lead is into the system, so lead is what? It's an inquiry, the advertisement, uh, and entry point to the system. So the terminology of the lead will get changed as per the industry. For a banking, lead is nothing but a customer inquiry. For an insurance company, lead is nothing but a policy inquiry. For a recruitment company, that is Naukri, Monster, JobsDB, for those companies, for a recruitment company, lead is nothing but a CV. Or for a training company, lead is nothing but a student inquiry. For a training company, lead is nothing but a student inquiry. So once the lead is into the system, it will go through some business rules. So based on the business rules, lead will be either qualified or disqualified. So live example, if you take an example of the ads education itself, ads education has scheduled a demo. Now after attending a demo, there is an equal probability that a student may be interested or may not be interested. If a student is not interested, what we do is we disqualify the lead. If a student showed an interest, we'll qualify that lead. That student is interested in our product. That customer is interested in our product. So there is an equal probability lead will get disqualified or it will get qualified. If they're disqualified, business is going to stop at this level itself. If the lead is qualified, if the lead is qualified, the out of box behavior of the system is that it creates an account, contact, and opportunity. It creates an account, contact, and opportunity. This is the out of box behavior of the system. And once the account, contact, and opportunity gets created, the marketing person job is done. From here, the salesperson is going to take care. From here, the salesperson is going to take care. So if you go back to the marketing module, in the marketing module, what are accounts? Accounts are the customers, companies, or clients. Now, contacts are what? Contacts are the contacts for the customer, company, or a client. Example, uh, you guys are the accounts for ads education, And contact is like when ads education is contacting to you, or they have called to you and you have not received the call, someone else have received the call, that someone else information will be captured as a contact for your account. That someone else information will be captured as a contact for your account. Next, leads or inquiries are entry point to the CRM system. The next comes the marketing list. Marketing list is to group the accounts, contacts, and leads. Campaign is an advertisement. Campaign is an advertisement or a marketing promo. Campaign is advertisement or a marketing promo. The next comes the quick campaign. So the difference between a campaign and a quick campaign is, in campaign we can have more than one marketing list and more than one campaign activity. In quick campaign we can have only one marketing list and one campaign activity. The next, what products we are going to sell to the customer. Then sales literature. Sales literature entity is used for document management. So if you want to maintain any marketing related documents, then we use the sales literature entity. This tools is independent, that is reports, and when we move to customizations and configuration, we'll cover this one, and dashboards also when we move to customizations and configuration. So this once the lead gets qualified, the marketing person job is done, and from here the salesperson will take care. So the out of box behavior of the system is done. When you qualify the lead, it creates account, contact, and opportunity. Opportunities are potential sales. A live example I'll give you. Right now, you are the opportunity for ads education. You're not the customer. When you will become the customer? When you complete the course and pay the full amount. When you complete the course and pay the full amount, then you will be considered as a customer. So right now you are the prospects, or you are the opportunities.
I think once we pay the amount, we become the customer. I'm not completing the course. Let's say I paid, but I've not completed the course. Will I not become
But
a
that is
customer?
an opportunity. No, you are still an opportunity, because this course requires 4 weeks of training and you have not completed all 4 weeks. At any point of time, you can back out. At any point of time, you can back out, or you can discontinue it, or anything may happen. So if you complete, so I'm just giving an example, not necessary that we have to follow that one, just to understand that. See, every sale has some stages. See, don't think from the ads point of view. I'm just give an example. May not be necessary that ads is doing that one. So just give an example. So every sale has some stages. Say every sale has some stages. So there is a equal probability that a student may back out, or a sale may get lost at any stage. Example, you applied or you booked a car, and after booking a car, due to some financial issues, you just want to quit it, and then you want to lose your even the booking amount also possible, that one. Or you apply for a credit card, and then at last due to some verification, at last from verification the credit card cannot be issued to you, then again that opportunity is lost opportunity. So there are different stages to won or lost the opportunity. It's not like just you close the opportunity. So based on the requirement from the business, we will go through stages and do either won or lost. Okay, now next here opportunities are nothing but it's a potential sale or the ongoing sale. These are all synonyms: potential sale, ongoing sale, prospects, opportunities. Now to start with the sales model.
I can't see the screen of opportunities.
Yes, we did not come to that screen.
Okay.
Yeah, so here what happens is that we just created the opportunity. Now to start the sales module, right? To start the sales module, we'll have to first set up the product catalog. What product we are going to sell to the customer. So this product catalog is a one-time job. One-time job when we have a new product, we are going to update here, or if there is a change in the price list, then we are going to update here. So there are four entities related to the product catalog. Four entities related to the product catalog: product, price list, discount, and unit groups. Product, what product we are going to sell to the customer. Product is like what product we are going to sell to the customer. Next comes the price list. One product may have multiple price lists. One product will have multiple price list. Example, when you purchase any Samsung product, there will be different pricing for a wholesaler, different pricing for a retailer, different pricing for a agency, or different pricing for a distributor, or there might be different pricing on a quarterly basis also. So in the first quarter of the year, it costs around $5,500, and in the second quarter, due to the market competitions, it went up to $300. So that we are going to define in a price list. One product has many price lists. Now for that price list, we can associate a discount. So every industry has two types of discount. One is sale level discount and other is the product level discount. So live example I'll give you again with an ads education example. Product level discount is applicable to all the customers. They have given an advertisement that they are going to provide some 10% or 20% of discount, which is applicable to all the customers. That is nothing but a product level discount. The next comes a sale level discount. Sale level discount is like only for that particular customer they are giving, due to some referral, or the sales people has some target, they didn't achieve the target, so they are just giving some more discount to achieve the targets, or just not to lose the dealership. So these type of things may happen in the sale level discount. Product level discount is applicable to all the customers. Product level discount. Now next, unit groups. Unit groups, you're going to define the units like 6-pack, 12-pack, 64-pack units in the product. So one Samsung box which contains 6 pieces of a handset. One more box contains 12 pieces of handsets, 48 pieces of handsets. That we are going to define in the unit groups. Now let me go and create a product here. Yes.
Farooq, one more question, Farooq here.
Yes.
Can we have a product which contains kit where there is a combination of multiple products?
Yes, you can have one product and multiple child product. Example, you purchase a mobile phone. With mobile phone, you'll also get accessories.
Yeah. And all those can be individual products. You can
Again, that
basically
can be individual product. Yes, product family you can create that one, product and product family, and that accessories can also be sold individually, or it can be sold as a product family in one product.
okay.
And on top of this, see, when I am saying, right, don't think that only this part we can do it. See, I am covering the out of box. So in your case, if you have a different requirement, then you have the full flexibility to customize the application. So don't think that whatever we are doing, every project should do this one. It's not necessary. Considering this as a base functionality, you will customize as per your requirements. Clear?
Yeah, got it. Got it. Thanks.
So there is full flexibility. So you can customize it as per your requirements. Okay, so now let me go to the product here. So I'm going to create a product. So we'll create a product. Samsung S6-001, S6-001. Then what is the duration of this product? Here I'm going to say from 1st of February to valid till 30th April. Save it. Then we have units. So default unit is having already unit. What is the unit for the default? Primary unit. That is quantity as 1. Then we have a default unit here, primary unit, decimal supported to 0. Save it. Then I'm going to create a price list here, new price list. Samsung Quarter 1. On what is the duration of this, from 1st February till 30th. Save it. Now we go to the price list here. So I'm going to add the price list item here. Samsung product units is the default unit. Price is quoted as $100. The next we have the discount here.
So what is the difference between a standard price for a product and a price list?
Which one? Standard price, where you are simply. So this is the price which is quoted for this price list.
I
For
don't
this
want that.
duration, this is the price.
I just want to say it's $100. Why do I need to do all the price list and all these things?
Which one? See, I'll tell you. For this quarter, example, in real time when you are selling the product, there might be different pricing for a wholesaler, right?
Let's say I'm not selling this. I'm basically selling trunks and vests. Basically, I'm selling vests.
Don't
Vest.
create this one, the default price list. Don't go for multiple price list.
Okay, you can go for a default price list. Okay.
Default
Okay.
price list.
Okay.
So here the scenario is that we are assuming that we have multiple price lists, one pricing for wholesaler, one pricing for retailer. So that is why we are creating this one. If not, you can have a default price list. And for this price list, we can associate a discount. Again, discount is not mandatory. This discount, whatever we are seeing, is the product level discount, which is applicable to all the customers. Product level discount, which is applicable to all the customers. So here I go here, Samsung F1 discount and the percentage here. Okay, save it.
No, one moment. Can I create the product list price using one currency and give a discount in another currency?
I don't think so, because we
If
did
you
not
go
want
to,
to.
if you go to that, if you go to the general, please. If you go to the general, here in
Yes.
the general, no, general, yeah, it says currency, yeah. Select a different currency than US dollars.
Oh, it is 1 second. Let me add the here.
Yeah.
So here we are adding the quantity begin as 10 and 20%. If the quantity is between 10 and 20%, we are going to provide 10% of discount. Save and close. Now here, when you go back to the discount, save it. It
No,
should be
don't
the
save it.
default.
Yeah, general, yeah. Change the currency, yeah.
It's the default one, default from this one. It will inherit the default one. So you don't have an option to change here.
Okay, you don't know, you can calculate. Okay.
So here, the discount, we have the filter criteria here. What is the filter criteria? That is, if the quantity is between 10 and 20%,
10 and
if the quantity
20%, 10 and 20.
10 and 20%.
Percent. How can it be percent? Like,
Which one?
the quantity is 10 and 20, not 10 and 20%. Then the percentage is 10% is applied.
Yes, if the quantity is between 10 and 20, then we are going to provide 10% of discount.
Yeah. Okay.
In between 10 and 20, then we are going to provide 10% of discount. So this is the criteria here. So now let me associate here. So we added this one. Now we go back to the product. Okay, so now what we did, we will have to publish this one. So it is publishing is like you're going to activate it. By default, it will be in draft mode. By default, it will be in draft mode. So you need to publish it. Then once you are publish it, you can associate this product at the opportunity level. So here I'm going to add it and then save it. Okay, now when you go back to the products, go to settings and then go to product catalog. So here you can notice here, this is what we did. We created a product. For that product, we created a price list, that is quarter one. And for that price list, we associated a discount and unit groups. Clear? Any questions? Hello.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Thanks.
All right. So once we have the product catalog uh, set up, then we can use this product catalog in the opportunity. So this opportunity part we'll cover in the next sessions. I don't think we'll be able to cover now. So it is again a complete process. We have in sales process we have to cover all those things. That is quotes, orders, invoices, product, sales literature. Okay, so this we'll cover in the next session.
Okay. But in Dynamic AX also, AX and CRM, how different are they? That means what does AX do and what does Dynamics do? I'm not getting this.
AX is for the financial related things.